So today let me walk you through the few slides, few presentations about the prompting best practice. Like I believe after this video, so that you will become better at the prompting, understand better about the prompt structure, and how to write a good prompt. Okay, let's check it out. So first thing first. So first thing first, right? What is matter, right? So it's simple, right? If you have a better question, right, you will get a better answers, right? So if you tell AI exactly what you need and how you want it, so you will save time, right? And you avoid the need of rewriting the prompt again and again. For example, like have take a look at the prompt on the left hand side, write about our products, right? So it's totally unclear, right? No audience, no growth, no limit on the length, and so basically it will the AI model will coming back with a random output. But like if you take a look on the right hand side, the prompt is like write 120 words intro for the new customer. The tone is like friendly and use tribulate and ACTA. So now it's much more clear, right? So we have the reader, we have the length, we have the tons, we have a format and a very clear target. So the signal, like audience, we need to in the job prompt should have like a clearly the clear audience. So who is this for, right? uh the goal, what is the outcome of the prompts, and the format, how it should look like. Is it like a long text or the short ones, the concise one? You want it in JSON, in markdown, in HTML, or in the normal text? And the word count, right? How long? The style, is this casual, is this like professional, is it funny, something like that? And example, a good example about your expected outputs will have the AI generate exactly what you want, right? So again, better questions, better answer, or in another word, like better prompt, you get a better result. Okay, thank you. So the next is like the checklist. So in the software engineering, we have the principal consolids, right? SOLIDs. And in the prompt engineering today, I give you like 1 minute prompt check. Clear, CLEAR, right? So let's start with the first sentence, first character, C. So context, like who is the reader and what did you want. So the context give the AI the understanding about like the audience and the goal, right? So it need, and then the next character L, limits. So you tell the AI about like the limit, the style that you want, and some do don't actions, right? Is example. So you should show the AI a good example on how do the results should look like. And next, A, as for the format, right? So what is the format, expected format from AI? Like it can be a JSON, it can be the multiple line paragraph with different with their well structures, or it can be an HTML file, or it can be another prompt, right? So, and the final one is R, review. So add a subjects before the final verifying part are included. So you can even ask the prompt to like make question before generating the results. So again, clear. So it would just take you a few like second to it may take time when you start, right, writing the prompt, follow the principle, but like as long as you get familiar with it, so you will make it faster. And that believe me, right, the result will much more better if you just writing the random, the freestyle prompt compared to if you follow the clear principle, right? So next, I have 5 simple prompt pattern that ready for copy and use, like that you can like follow very much easy. First, drawn in audience, right? So you can see an example here, like at is like the structure will be like act as a helpful coach, right? And the audience is like new employees. So secondly is the format, right? So you tell the AI how the format should look like. A third, the limit, right? So keep there's the responding 120 in the 150 word. And like next next one is a few thoughts, right? So you tell the AI about like example how the results should look like, and lastly, the guardrail, right? So if unclear, ask one short follow-up question, then right. So you give the AI the chance to clarify the unclear thing before provide the answer. So we save time of like coming back and forth between humans and AI, and then yeah, you don't need to write a prompt again and again and again, right? So five simple prompt pattern ready for use. Like first, run an audience. Second, format. Third, with the word limit. The four few source, and the last guardrail. Awesome. So do and don't. So what you should do and what you should avoid when writing the prompt, right? On the left hand side, we have do, right? So the audience and the goal should be clear. The length and the style should be clear too. The reusable format. So how do you want the response look like? Is it a JSON, well structured JSON file, or is it like just normal Power App but like with the clear structure? And provide a quick example, and like yeah, allow the AI to follow up with some question before making the final answers. So and something that you should avoid here, right? So first you should avoid unclear thing. So if you give the prompt a single values sentence, so it's should come up with the random answer to, and then like forget who will read it, so you forget the audience, right? And then you mix multiple tasks at once. So I think that it's better to, even the AI nowadays is very much powerful and it support a very long context. But like if you keep AI focus on a single responsibility, single task, so it will produce faster than like putting multiple tasks at once. Okay, so and yeah, left the output. You should also should avoid to left the output format undefined, right? Because like uh, you cannot process the results with like unexpected or undefined format. So every time it may return different style, different way. Yeah, and then like you also should not set a private data too. So we have five things that you should do when you're writing a prompt, and then five things you should not do. Okay, so keep it in mind when you're writing your next prompt. Okay, and then here I have the ready to use prompt for the starter template, right? For example, like general writing. Let me show you. So first will be the run, right? And then you define the run of the AI models, and then next will be audience. What is your target audience? What is the goal of this prompt? And what is the format of this like the output? And then like the last, if missing, right, allow the model to ask a follow-up question before making uh, mm, the creator respond. Okay, so the structure is very clear, right? The run, the audience, the format, the style, and the missing item. Okay, so uh, say this template, and then next time when you write a prompt, so try it and tell me if it like is improved the experience with your AI model. Let me know. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good day. Don't forget to follow my channel for the AI best practice, like automation best practice. Thank you. Have a good day.